Carmona ARP Women's Wing and ARP Medical Equipment Facilitating Unit was held on Friday. Also, the Carmona ARP Women's Wing was formed on the same day. Watch.
भयरा भावांनो, आयज आमी एक पाऊल मारता म्हणून सांगला ते भाशेन आम आदमी पार्टी विमेन्स विंग आतां आमी हांगासर स्टार्ट करतली. I hope you all know that you all are in the safe hands of Aam Aadmi Party, and if Aam Aadmi Party comes to Goa, Goa will be in safe hands. So my sisters and brothers, आमी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावन पाऊल मारून आमी हे आम आदमी पार्टीक हाडून निवडून हाडून दिवचे पडटले. हांगा आसा पळय की इतलीच जावची न्हू, हाज्याहून इट नीड्स टू increase and multiply in Benaulim and all over the world, all over Goa, so that Aam Aadmi Party is going to win this time and we are going to have Aam Aadmi Party in Goa.
तू जावन आमचो रचणार आनी आमचो सांबाळणार. सगळें जें आमी कितें करता मनांत येवजीत हांव तें देखून तुजे हुकुमा प्रमाणे आमी करता. जाल्यार येवजण फुडें व्हरतना आयज आमी आमकांच तुज्या हातान घालता आनी तुज्या हातान घालून ज्यो वस्तू मनशाक फुड्यान करूं येतात तातूंत तूंच आपलें बोड घालता. आमी आतां जाणा हे पिडेक लागून जायते सगळ्या वाटांनी आख्या संवसाराक हे हालावाल जाल्ले आसात. त्या दिना तुजें बोड ट्युचर आसूं आनी जे आमचे जाणार भाव भयणी भावुरतात ते बेगीनच आमकां फावो जावन हे वॅक्सिनेशन फावो जावन हे पिडेंतली सगळी मेकळी जावन परतून सुटका आमकां फावो जावन खुशालकाय आमकां मेळो. आनी हेच निमित्तान ह्यो कांय हांगासर आचार हांगासर दवरलेले आसात तांचो वापर आमी करता. जावं आमचे पिडेक लागून जावं फुडें आमच्या अस्कोतायेक लागून तांचेर आमी तुजो आशिर्वाद मागता आनी जायत्यांनी ताजो वापर करचो. आनी आमचे भयणीन म्हणलां आनीक लागीं आसत जाल्यार तांणी भेटोवचें आनी हे भाशेन आमी जें कितें करता तें आमचोच फायदो न्हू, दुसऱ्यांचे फायद्याक घालून दुसऱ्यांचे उपयोगाक घालून तो आमकां आदार. सर्वेस्परा देवा ह्या आचारांचेर हांगा आसलेल्या ह्या खुणांचेर आमी तुजो आशिर्वाद मागता.
Never be negative, because to be positive is an investment and you get that self-confidence only if you're positive. No doubt our ARP has had a lot of failures, up and down, tearing apart from here to there. You will hear our members going, but always be positive that the more will join and make it stronger. Because unless we are positive that Aam Aadmi Party will be a winner, it will only take us forward. And you can see these youngsters.
We can see what is happening in Goa. आमचे गोंयान कितें जाता तें आमी पळयलां आनी पळयत रावतले आमी भायर सरना जाल्यार आमचें गोंय आमच्या मुखारूच काबार जातलें. And it is very important that we women, we are very strong, especially we mothers. We say Mother Earth, Mother Goa, Mother India, everything say Mother, Mother. We mothers are very strong because we can do 10 things at one time. It is not easy. I'm sometimes in Taliga, I'm somewhere else, I'm in Valpoi, I'm in Kepe. It's not easy. I have a 10-year-old son. Luckily, I have support of my family, my mom and my dad. And I'm very happy that Venzi also has the support of his family and the support of the people of Carmona, because this battle is not his. It's our battle together. आमचो battle तो. कित्याक आमचे गोंय सांबाळपाक जाय जाल्यार आमी फुडें सरपाक जाय वांगडार, like one family, hand to hand together. Because when the Rostock Goa campaign started, I just went alone with another 2 friends to paint speed breakers 11:30 in the night. कित्याक म्हाका कित्याक पडला हांव त्या रस्त्यार वचना, म्हाका कित्याक पडला. But there are bikers who go there who have fallen, because every speed breaker which is not painted has an untold story. आमीचे चिंतना आमची गाडी हा आमी वयता आमकां काय पडोंक ना. But there are family members who have lost because either helmet is not worn or speed breakers. आमचे government न्हिदल्या. आमी तांकां उठपाक जाय. We have to wake them up. We have to remind them what is their job. And with Aam Aadmi Party, you don't have to remind people. They do what is told. You know that there's a manifesto that every MLA comes to your doorstep. I hope you'll have saved whoever had come to your doorstep and who's your present MLA. And tick mark. Kite kelan. When he comes again to your doorstep, Itzar, ekela tuhen, ekela, give him marks. And if he's the least amount of 10 marks, Teka sang, thank you very much. When try korungna, I don't think you'll get a vote for my house. And Bhupachi garaz na. This is your right. We people of Goa have the right to voice, to express. आणि आम्ही एक्सप्रेस कोना जाल्यार भिवन रावल्यार जालें आमचें काबार. तेका लागून आमी वांगडार येवपाक जाय. एंड डोंट गेट स्कॅर्ड. नो वन कॅन डू एनीथिंग टू यू. यू हॅव दिस वन लायफ. You make a mark, you make a stand, you make a change, you make a revolution. Because if it's not today, amchi burgi ji ha, what's the use? Why we are bringing them into this world? Why are we getting married and having children? Because of our environment getting spoiled. Amchi climate change poilata. Today was very hot day. Every day we are cutting trees. We humans are the worst to destroy Mother Nature. But we humans can be one to save Mother Nature also. So requesting every woman here and even the men who are there behind to support this movement today, that we should stand united, be together, fight together, stand in unity and support one another. Because I didn't know Venzi earlier, but when I saw him fight for the seafarers, I'm like, who's this guy? Who's like really? And you know, everyone who wanted to know was saying, Cecil, you should fight. I said, I can't take up all issues. I'm sorry, I cannot take up all issues. And I was forwarding Venzi's videos. Like anyone wanted to know about seafarers, I was sending Venzi's videos. And I'm so happy to see Venzi is on board with Aam Aadmi Party, because we need strong, smart, educated people on board. Because we can see who are getting elected. Anpad Gawar. The present CM is a doctor by name. But if you see, there's nothing with environment, with the coronavirus, we can see what is the present situation. And there's nothing done for the people of Goa at present. Lok, Bobad mari tha, that we don't want coal, save Mole. Anyone's listening? Marina Naka, Shet amche samad. Kon aita amche? Congress candidates jump to BJP, power of Lagur. This is the power today that we are all suffering. This is the power. Today this initiative that is started, especially for our senior citizens, or anyone who is injured, and today this equipment is for one reason, is so that we can support each other. Atmanirbhar is what we want to be. Like you don't have to beg, borrow, or even keep something as like a storeroom. When anything like a wheelchair is not being used later on, it collects dust. But this is something where you use, and when you don't need it, you return it back because someone else will need it. So this is a very great initiative, and please give a round of applause that you will all support this. That everyone, especially our senior citizens, and don't feel ashamed to ask, because when you borrow, the more you give, the more you get. We have to start borrowing, and let's not keep extra things in our house. Let's share it with one another. Even if you all have at home beds or anything like whatever, if your parents have used, share it, like, give it away. That's what we've been doing. If anyone wants a wheelchair, we will call our friends on social media and we will say, anyone needs a wheelchair, anyone has an extra wheelchair, people will donate. We have to start talking to one another, help one another.
इचून हाडल्या मनशांक गव्हर्नन्स दिला घरा ऑपोजिटूच हेल्थ आहा. हे हेल्था सगळें आसों जातालें. हे हेल्थ आसल्यार आजी येल ना. सो दिस इज वॉट शूड हॅपन. वी शुडंट कम आउट ऑन द वे, spend our money, take initiative and do things like this. This has to come through the governance. मुगे घरा ऑपोजिट हेल्थ आहा, ते हेल्था कितें आहा तें आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा. आतां गेले जाल्यार दोतोर ना कांय ना. आज आमगे गांवां पळयत जाल्यार 24 hours एक दोतोर आहा जाल्यार बरें कुस्तार जाता गांवांतूच मेडिकल असिस्टन्स मेळपाक. आनी आज आमगे गांवांतून आज आख्खे गोंयभर जोरी तोरी एक मोहल्ला क्लिनिका भाशेन सेटअप केल्लो. म्हणजे 200 घरांक एक मोहल्ला क्लिनीक दिल्लें जाल्यार आज हे कोवीड सिट्युएशना इतलो आजारांनी गोंय लोक मेळ्ळे ते भाशेन केन्ना मोडपा न्हू. कित्याक हे 200 घरां जर एक मोहल्ला क्लिनीक केलोलें जाल्यार त्या 200 लोक त्या मोहल्ला क्लिनिका वचोन तुगे ऑक्सिजन लेवल चॅक करतालो, तुगेलो कोवीड टेस्ट करतालो आनी झूप कोण अवेरनेस सगळें जातालें की कोणा जालो हा, कोणा सिम्पटम्स जाय, आयसोलेशन वचपाचें. हें हिंगा हे सगळे गांवांत जातालें. सो दीस इज कॉल्ड विजन. हें जालो हा दिल्लींत, सो कॉपी पेस्ट पूण करूं जाता. सो कॉपी पेस्ट केल म्हूण प्रॉब्लम कोणा गेले ना, पूण आज हिंगा आमगे कॉपी पेस्ट देखून जायना. बरं जालें, मार्च टील नोव्हेंबर फर्स्ट फेज इज ओवर. आजरान लोक मेलो, आतां सेकंड वेव येवपा आहा म्हणटे. आतां आमी कितें करूं जाय? मेडिकल रेडी आहा आमगेलें, 6 म्हयने जाले, तांकां खबर आहा लोक मरत आसलो, जालें ना, आजून रेडी ना. आजून आमगे टेस्ट सेंटर्स रेडी नाय. हाल्या दोपक्या समज 1000 लोक दुयेंत जावपा लागलो, हॉस्पिटल सगळीं बतली तेंगेली. सो वेर आर वी हेडिंग? And why are we bringing in people with the same mindset and the same parties? चान्स दिल्लो 5 वर्सां आनी 1 वर्सूय उरना. 1 वर्सा भितर कोराय मरे सगळी हेल्थ सेंटर सारकी कोराय मरे, घालाय क्लिनिकां 200 लोकां कोराय मरे. 1 वर्सान कोण दाखोयाय? आम मुटले जिकील मुटरी आम कोण हाडले, ही पार्टी करून हाडटली. तुमकां आनी 1 वर्सूय उरना लोकांक दिलोलें, 4 वर्सां ते थिंगाय. बट हें सांगून देखून हे वस्त जायनाय. आनी आज हे पॅन्डेमिकाक one thing is become very important. All your life, if you see, even myself and everybody out here, इस्कॉल काबा जालें कॉलेजी कॉम्पिटिशन, मार्क्स मेळपा, मार्क्स मेळ्ळे तूं कॅरियर करपाक कॉम्पिटिशन. ते कॅरियर मेळपा एक स्ट्रगल आसता, तेन्ना पयशे दिवपा पडटा, कितें करप्शन आसता. तूं कॅरियरा वयसलो, पयशे जोडले, मागीर काजार जालो, घर बांदपाचें, घर बांदिल. सो यू आर ऑलवेज मुवींग इन लायफ एंड यू नीड मनी फॉर डुईंग एवरीथींग. पूण आज एक दुयेंत मनशाक तुका कितलोय पयसो आसूं, तू ऑक्सिजन लेवल तुगे लो जालें, तू इंगसण हॉस्पिटलां पावत म्हळ्यार मनीस तुगे मरो शकता. सो वॉट इज द पॉयंट इन स्ट्रगलिंग ऑल आवर लायफ? आनी आमच्यान जर तरी हेल्थाक आमकां कांय करूं जायना. सो आमकां करूं जायना म्हणजे कितें? जण एकल्यान वचोन एक ऑक्सिजन सिलिंडर घराको दोचो आतां तें करूं जाय जाल्यार गव्हर्मेंटान सांगपाचें करया, तेंय करया. एक 45 लिटरचो ऑक्सिजन सिलिंडर हाडल्या, आमगे बोटीचे तारवटी आहाय तांकां खबर आसता. एक घरां एक ऑक्सिजन सिलिंडर दवरया आतां हेच्या मुखार. कित्याक आतां कोवीड येयला म्हूण ऑक्सिजन लेवल देंवता, हाल कोर्स येतलो आनी हे एनवायरमेंट एटमॉस्फियराक कोर्स आसतो, ते तुका भायल्यान तूं ब्रीथ करपाक आमकां लंग्सां इन्फेक्शन जातलें. सो हेच्या मुखारूय ऑक्सिजना लेवल ड्रॉप जावपाचें आहा. सो वेर आर वी हेडिंग? ही गरजेची आज गरज. सांगत वयताय आम धाकटे आसतसून आम चोयताय, काँग्रेस येता, आम काँग्रेसा टेबलाचेर बसताले, सामोसा मेळटाले, पॅटीस मेळटाली, आम बसून थिंग वयताले. बट दीस इज द टायम वीच इज गॉन. आम केन्नाय कितें काम आमकां आयले काँग्रेसाचे, वी यूज टू गिव देम 5 years 10 years तांकां आम सपोर्ट करताले. बट तो जालो सपोर्ट काबार. सिरीज दिल्ली 5 वर्सां 10 वर्सां जाल काबार. इट इज नॉट देर एनी मोर. वी हॅव टू रियलायज दीस. इफ वी डोंट रियलायज दीस टुडे, इफ वी सी एट मोलें इतू झाड तेम कातोलें आनी तेज हिसाब ना. आज आमी उलयताय म्हळ्यार आमगे डिगमोरड आजून आहा आनी 5 वर्सान आमकां खबर ना थिंग कितें जाता तें. थिंगाय कॉमेस्कोप आहले ते जायत मागीर एजिटेशन बी कोन्न ते मातशें तारयार घायल्लें. आज आमगे राहेजा प्रोजेक्ट हितू आम सगल्यांनी जोगोन तो आडायन दवरलो. सो कार्मोना इज व्हेरी फेमस फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. वी आर व्हेरी युनीक पीपल आनी म्हाका दिसता वी हॅव टू बी स्ट्रॉंग इनफ टू एन्श्योर की एक्चुअली एक हेल्था पूण करपाक जाय आनी कांयच तुमकां जायना. एड्युकेशन आनी हेल्थाचें पूण कोण हाडपाकूच जाय आनी कोण हाडना आनी 1 वर्सान जरी तरी कोण आहाय तांकां करूं जावपाना जाल्यार आमी तांकांय हाडचनू आनी तेंचे बराबर जे एफिलेटेड जे आहाय तेंगे भाव आहाय, BJP भाव, काँग्रेस भाव, NCP भाव, हे सगळे भाव. सो हे भावांक आमी हाडचनू हेच्या मुखार, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट एबल टू डू थिंग्स वॉट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर अस टू सर्वाइव. I think this is what we have to understand and this is all about being in politics. पॉलिटिक्सा आज भितर सरप म्हणचे दॅट येस आम पॉलिटिक्सा भितर सरले कित्याक आज म्हारगाय वाडवल्या. आज हो वुमन्स विंग ओगोन हाडपाचो कारण कित्याक वुमन्स आर द ओनली पीपल हू कॅन अंडरस्टँड हाऊ मच मनी इज गोईंग फ्रॉम युअर पॉकेट. दादल्यांक कोणा आज कांदो 70 रुपयान जाला, हिंग ओलोयन वयताय म्हळ्यार म्हाका आतां 100 रुपयान देखून जावपाक शकता, 150 जावपाक शकता. जरी तरी हिंग गांवां जरी तरी आज कसल्योय चोरबुद्यो आनी नाडबुद्यो केल्यो नाय जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हेज्या मुखार आनी करपाची आस दिसना म्हाका आनी करपाची आसपाना. सो देर वील बी अ लॉट ऑफ डिफेमेशन वीच इज हॅपनिंग नाव. इट इज हॅपनिंग बिकॉज आय हॅव टेकन दीस लीड टू मूव अहेड टू मेक अ चेंज हॅपन. आनी ही चेंज जरी तरी जाय जाल्यार मुखार सोरो पडटलें.
Not secret intra-party deal but transparent inter-party dialogue should have been the way forward on Madhe. A senior journalist, Ashok Chandagiri's revolution on a debate on a local media of Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant commenting secretly to Union Coal and Mines Minister Prahlad Joshi is set out of Goa's lifeline Madhe, which is one time to the GICM, equated as to being more than his mother to him. Listen in to what he has to say on this.
Goa's Power Minister, Mr. Nilesh Kabral, has challenged the Aam Aadmi Party's Delhi model of electricity. He has challenged the model of electricity practiced by the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi, where every citizen of Delhi gets uninterrupted supply of power, where every citizen of Delhi gets 24/7 supply of power, where every citizen of Delhi gets power free of cost. He has challenged this model, and Mr. Nilesh Kabral wishes to have a public debate on this. He has even gone to the extent of saying that he will bear the expenses for anyone from Delhi to come to Goa and debate with him. I accept this challenge of the Honorable Power Minister of Goa, Mr. Nilesh Kabral. Mr. Kabral, I am coming to Goa to debate with you. I accept this challenge of yours of a public debate. Let's see whose model is better. The Aam Aadmi Party's Arvind Kejriwal model of electricity that is being practiced in Delhi, or the model of Mr. Kabral, his government and the BJP government in Goa. I will reach Goa on the 17th of November by 2 p.m. Upon my arrival, I will await the exact venue and the time of the public debate. Let me know where you wish to have this public debate. I will be there.
Now, Goa Forward Supremo Vijay Sardesai is in the same note of Chadda. Not secret intra-party deal but transparent inter-party dialogue should have been the way forward of Madhe. Now, commenting on this, he said that there is a need where CM has to come out and speak on this issue. Watch.
अशोक चंदरगी म्हणून जर्नलिस्टान सिनियर जर्नलिस्टान आनी कन्नडिगा एक्शन कमिटीचो चेअरमॅनान जो स्टेटमेंट काडला जो डिबेटीन उलयला तातूंत अशें दिसता की हे सरकारान पूर्णपणान एक इंट्रा पार्टी नेगोसिएशनान म्हादय म्हणटा ती विकली म्हादयचो सौदो केलो म्हाका दिसता ह्या वर्साचो नरकासूर हो सरकार ह्या सरकारान गोंयची जिवनदायिनी बरोबर सौदो केलो वॉट वी नीड is not intra-party negotiation on this contentious issue. We need an inter-party consensus by taking everybody into confidence. I don't understand how this chief minister is always on the losing side of negotiation. गोंय सदां नेगोसिएशनाचे लुजींग सायडान कित्याक येता हें अजून मेरेन कळना. होच प्रल्हाद जोशी म्हणटा तो कोल मिनिस्टर आनी तो मायन्स मिनिस्टर मायनींग सुरवात कित्याक जायना अजून मेरेन. हाजो अर्थ कितें की मुख्यमंत्र्यान आपले पर्सनल बेनिफिटा खातीर म्हादय विकली हें काल एक्सपोज जाल्लें आहा आनी होच तो खरो नरकासूर ह्या वर्साचो. ह्या महामारी खातीर नरकासूर ह्या वर्सा ना, चड नरकासूर दिसना. हो व्हडलो नरकासूर गोंयकारांक आमी सोंसचो पडटा. तो नरकासूर आमी सारको एक परमनंटली घरा धाडटले हो आमी संकल्प करपाची गरज आहा. हीच म्हाका दिसता हे दिवाळीची आमची message.
The Kankorna JMFC court has given the order to go to Mumbai to Poonam Pandey, says the advocate Brian Rodriguez. Poonam Pandey was in the headlines over the last several days and weeks over her pornographic video that was shot at the Chapoli Dam. Watch to what he has to say.
Honorable Judicial Magistrate First Class Kankorna has permitted the applicant, that is Poonam Pandey and Sam Ahmed, to visit their home state. Now the whole thing is that a fundamental right of a citizen to travel and to reside in his place cannot be taken away merely because a case is pending. So that was the basis of the petition which was filed, and we asked that they be permitted to go back to the hometown. Also, the said Poonam Pandey had a medical situation where she requires treatment, and apart from that, the Honorable JMFC had only directed that for 6 days that doing the investigations, she comes and cooperates. And pending that, there was no any other condition that she should not leave the state of Goa. So with this compliance, we have stated today that there is no need of both our clients in Goa. So we have requested the Honorable GMFC to permit us to leave the state, and as and when called, we will give undertaking that we will appear. So now, as and when the police appears, calls us, and any evidence as regarding the mobiles or anything appears, will be appearing, and we have full faith in the judiciary that they will uphold the law, and we hope that the matter can be resolved in the court by the due process of law.